Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. We are here in Insadong. So this is just a short walking tour. I'm on my way to Anguk Station. So Insadong is famous for some art galleries. There are so many art galleries in here. And it's also a place where you could buy some craft items, traditional Korean items. Shout out to Whimsical Thoughts. This is one of her favorite spots, the Shamzigil. This is an interesting building. Its architecture is a bit different. It slants and it goes around with the shops all around it. I'm gonna show you a bit of it. So you start your way to the building here or here. And then you go around, you will see so many cute shops. The things that are cute you don't need but makes you want to buy them. Okay, just a quick look at the shops in the ground floor. Clothes, accessories, printed shirts, ceramics, rabbits. Oh, it even has a basement. Up there is the Tong Cafe or the Shit Cafe. Their bread looks like shit, shaped like shit. Phone grips, lipstick, multi-bomb, sandals, oh, rabbit messages. May this year be a happy, healthy year. I can get to travel and see the world, be passionate in doing whatever I love. So wishing everyone new places to see, to travel this year. Now these are the restaurants. That's a rabbits. Ribbity ribbity rabbit. And the artworks abound. They're just outside. Crafts. Stickers. It's a kid shop. Keychains. Clothes. Now this is a new building, Anyong Insadong. a modern new building. Um, Another art gallery. So now they have Changmi Soon Gain Chun, solo exhibit of Chang Mi Soon, and here is Ihe In, 7th solo exhibition. Oh, I like the sound in here. The wind chimes. And more rabbits. Oh. Eyeglasses made of wood frames. Oh, do not take pictures though. Sorry, it's not a picture, it's a video. Moving picture. Kalapati. Cute kids and young. So now I'm almost at the train station. Korean fans, pouches, souvenirs. These are, I believe, stamps, dojang. Mugs. And here we are out of the Insadong street. There's a giant calligraphy brush. And one last look at Insadong street. Okay, we go to the right for the subway station. Some K-pop songs and tourists in hanbok, very pretty. Socks, they're very good souvenir items, good quality and cheap. Fans, painted fans, chestnuts. And here we are, Anguk Station, subway station. Thank you guys for joining my walk. I hope you enjoyed the short, quick tour. And see you on the next vlog. Let me know in the comments which area in Seoul you would like to see. Okay, annyeong, bye-bye.